Okay, so if you've been in the online making money space for any period of time or any amount of time, you know that the key to making money online is about list building, okay? And what is that? That is finding like-minded people, especially if in whatever niche, but I'm talking pertaining especially to the making money online niche, whereby there's people that are seriously seeking for online making money opportunities. Okay, this particular system, the Clickly system, to me is genius, okay? Because it combines everything. People want to make money online, so you get paid per clicks, but you also get a chance to actually build your email list, which is really key. Okay, this is like, to me, this is like a really groundbreaking system, because believe me, I've tried a lot of systems, I've tried a lot of programs, and I've actually invested a lot of money in programs. Okay, so I know what I'm talking about when it comes to list building. Each and every single one of them point you back to getting a funnel. Why do you need a sales funnel? Why do you what is so important about? Because a lot of programs, master classes, they teach you about the importance of having a sales funnel. What is a sales funnel? Having a squeeze page, right? Whereby people actually come to that page, and from that page, you're able to squeeze. What are you squeezing out? Their email, right? And their contact, their best email and their names, so that you can resend them back automated emails. Okay? Remember that the conversion rate for people just coming from Facebook or TikTok or whatever, coming from their social media to your business opportunity or your program, the conversion rate is maybe less than maybe 0.1%. So it's very low. But when you have a sales funnel, right? You have a sales funnel whereby you can keep sending them automated emails. So after you capture their email address, you can keep sending them automated emails once you have their contact information. That's the list. So you're list building. Okay. So this system actually allows you to build your list. They already have 14 million. Think about that number. 14 million people in their lists. People that are subscribed to making money online. People that are looking for good, substantial, reliable making money online opportunities, so that they can actually start making money online. Okay? So I started just a few days ago doing this system, and I was already able to see money in my account the next day. I mean, it wasn't a substantial amount, but just the fact that even if it was just $1, okay, just the fact that I was able to see that money in the account the next day gave me hope. Okay, I've been scavenging around. I've spent a lot of money trying to make money online. This is since 2009. Okay, so I know what I'm talking about. They actually give you a chance to build your list, and then you can send emails to the list. You can send emails to the list that you build. You know, so also sending if you have other opportunities that you want to promote, you can also get that. Okay, so that is to me, that is groundbreaking. It's a combination of things. So not just because just scouting for a program to promote. Anybody can promote any program, but if I don't see any potential, real potential, okay, what can I really do with this program rather than just finding other people to sell it to? Okay, I bought it, I spent money on it, now I'm trying to look for other people to sell it to. To me, that is not enough. Okay, I have to see that I'm actually giving value. I'm actually selling them something that will actually give them something to benefit them. They can actually build their list, and they're still making money on a daily basis. You know, and the more you invest in the program, obviously you're gonna make more money. But to me, it's it really is worth it, because I haven't seen anything else. Most of the other programs, they just tell you about about how you can go ahead and promote the course to bring more people into it, whether you're seeing results or not. Okay, so but with this program, you can actually see results the very next day. Okay, so I don't know why anybody would not. I wish I knew about this several years ago. Okay. Because you're making money. At least you're sending them emails. Maybe you're making $10 a day with them emails, and you're just spending maximum 10-15 minutes sending the emails. 15 minutes sending the emails, and then you look in your account the next day, you have $10 more, and you have $10 more, and then when you have $200, you can cash out. And if you promote to other people and they sign up, whatever, you can get more money. So, I mean, why would you not take this? I don't know. Okay. I just want just to put it out there. Okay. So if you're interested in, signing up for Quickly, you can go to my Stan Store. The link is right there. You can go in and sign up and start making money. Okay. Even if it's just money that you're going to save up and put in your savings account for, for a rainy day, it's still something. Okay. Or gas money, and you can really build this business. You really can.